This is Kevin Freeman in the Economic War Room with a 2-minute warning. A lot of people are asking me, what's going on with Bitcoin? You know, not long ago, Bitcoin was priced at over $60,000 a coin. It was an incredible price increase there. And now it's traded closer to $20,000. So what's wrong? Is Bitcoin a bad idea all of a sudden? Here's the reality. Bitcoin, number one, is backed by absolutely nothing other than scarcity of supply. That's a problem for it because governments are now pointing at it and saying, hey, look, that's no better than fiat currency. And if you thought this was money and you bought it at $60,000, it's trading for $20,000 now, you've lost 2/3 of the value of your money. The US dollar, by comparison, has held up pretty well. In fact, when the Russians invaded Ukraine, there was a big rush to the US dollar. Does that mean the dollar is the answer long term and Bitcoin is out for good? Not necessarily, because the dollar, likewise to Bitcoin, doesn't have anything standing behind it other than the full faith and confidence of the United States government. What happens if we need more dollars? They just print more dollars. So there's not at least the limitation of supply like there is on Bitcoin. How do you deal with all this, and what should you do about it? We've come up with a better alternative. We think the advantage of limited supply combined with the convenience electronic digitization of Bitcoin is a solution. We were creating something called the digital Texan. It's something we talk about in the Economic War Room all the time. In fact, we've done several episodes just on this. You ought to learn about it because it's a way that you can own gold, which has limited supply, transact in a currency like you can with Bitcoin or even the US dollar, use it at restaurants and so forth, and not have to worry about tax or divisibility or any of the other problems that so often crop up with money. So learn more at economicwarroom.com. This is Kevin Freeman in the Economic War Room.